The price of the token can be drastically affected by the Shiba Inu whale's actions. If you're into Shiba Inus or have SHIB tokens, you really must see this video. In light of this, how does the latest information concerning Shiba Inu coin affect their value? Today I'll answer these questions and fill you in on the latest news that has boosted the Shiba Inu's value in my video. Kindly view the entire video in its entirety to make sure that all of the information that I have collected gets to you. Rich Coins, your daily dose of Shiba, is here. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories. Prior to delving into our matter, however, let us examine the chart to ascertain the current state of the Shiba price on November 18th. Should we? A Shiba Inu may be yours for just $2,475 right now. A 1% increase in price was the outcome of $1.3 billion worth of SHIB transactions in the previous 24 hours. The token has risen to the position of 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market value of around $14.5 billion. Please be aware that these rates might have changed by the time you see the video. This content is not intended to provide you with financial advice. Everything is set for today's video. A bullish sign for Shiba Inu would be a rather stable pricing. There has been very little movement in the asset's value recently, and its trading range is tiny. For the initial token offering, Bull has established a floor price of 2,400 units. A base is being created before a large move, as indicated by the lack of enthusiasm and limited volatility on assets like SHIB. The price of SHIB has been steadily declining over the past few weeks, but the current price stability indicates that selling pressure has mostly subsided. Bulls may take charge again if SHIB finds a way to maneuver in the absence of substantial negative momentum. If SHIB can maintain this level of support, for example, and market sentiment towards meme tokens improves, the conditions for a rally could be favorable. But remember that a quiet market isn't necessarily a sign of a strong recovery. The absence of aggressive salespeople is encouraging, but it doesn't necessarily indicate that clients are ready to negotiate a higher price. More trade volume and fresh buyer demand are necessary for SHIB to break out of current range. A potential indication that SHIB might resume its ascent would be a break above the 2,500 unit resistance level. Shiba Inu owners should be alert for indications of increased trading activity and price volatility around this level. Bulls have a chance to prolong the ascent if they can break out of the consolidation zone they're currently in. On the flip side, further weakness would be indicated if prices drop below the current support level. Hit that like button, please, if you're still here. I truly appreciate your support. It will not cost you a thing to support the station. However, we will keep you posted with further Shiba Inu news, updates, and forecasts regarding the future of the Shiba Inu currency. The Shiba Inu has a 361% increase in whale activity. Upbeat perspective. Recent data from Into the Block shows a 361% increase in large-scale Shiba Inu sales. There was a jump in USD transactions from 10.95 million to 39.6 million, while the total quantity of SHIB tokens went from 628.55 billion to 2.34 trillion. During the given time frame, 147 transactions above $100,000, indicating a notable uptick in SHIB activity among institutional investors. The recent spike in large SHIB transactions suggests that significant investment firms, frequently referred to as whales, are showing more interest. To what end are these modifications being implemented in the extensively utilized? The activity levels of whales suggest that they might be planning to sell or adding to their holdings. No matter what happens, the value of Shiba Inu tokens will drop. Disappointingly for SHIB supporters, the patterns of inflow and outflow suggest that this move has a negative undercurrent. The significant holdings net flow metric turned negative after receiving 79.95 billion SHIB over the time frame we examined. The incorrect direction was taken by 575.3 billion SHIB. The change in net flow suggests that large holders are selling SHIB instead of buying it. An unexpected uptick in SHIB whale deals is indicative of the pessimistic sentiment expressed by the most recent on-chain statistics. Is anything optimistic going to happen for SHIB soon? It seems like significant players are selling their SHIB instead of adding to it. Now is the time for the main plot of this video to start. As the only RC20 token in the top 10, Shiba Inu's SHIB team has been staunchly Ethereum loyal since the beginning. And Ethereum blockchain developer and well-known Shiba Inu advocate, Cash Eldaria, claims that SHIB is the most valuable ERC20 coin. That Shiba Inu has the highest market valuation among all of Ethereum's ERC20 tokens is what Daria asserts. The creator opted not to include stablecoins such as USDC and AUS since they are present on several blockchains. All of these currencies are ERC20 as well, but Ethereum claims that Shiba Inu has been an Ethereum evangelist since the beginning, which has brought a lot of value to the blockchain. Buterin believes that Dogecoin should rank as the second most valuable cryptocurrency. The Shiba Inu engineer made the accusation over the weekend in reaction to a comment made by Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum. Buterin stated last month that Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's primary rival, is deserving of the position of second largest cryptocurrency, behind Bitcoin. From what we can gather, Buterin values Dogecoin higher than Ethereum's native token, ETH. The statement caused members of the Shiba Inu community to take to X to share their opinions. They believe that Buterin should have pushed for SHIB instead of Doge, considering Shiba Inu's success on Ethereum. While Dogecoin was born out of Litecoin, Shiba Inu was legally founded on Ethereum. Specifically, Kusama wants to show Buterin how great Shibas can be. The main developer of the Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, requested a 10-minute presentation from Buterin regarding the possibilities of SHIB during the meeting. The Shiba Inu community, their technology, and their decentralized governance structure were hinted at by Kusama as the topic of the discussion. The primary developer is a Shiba Inu enthusiast. Please have him her. Bring Buterin's attention to a suggestion she made. When it comes to global productivity, Shiba Inu are unrivaled. The Shiba Inu community obediently carried out the directive and made reference to Buterin in multiple posts. A prominent community member named Digger mentioned that SHIB is the best performing asset and urged Buterin to contact Kusama, the most valuable asset in the world. That is in line with what Kusama has just said, which is rather comparable. As far as Kusama is concerned, the Shiba Inu is the world's best performing asset right now, surpassing even Bitcoin and Tesla shares. Kusama announced SHIB's 33,774,726% lifetime gain on October 30th. According to Kusama, Shiba Inu's growth outpaced Bitcoin's by 6,600%. Since its debut in August of 2020, the Shiba Inu has undeniably demonstrated outstanding results. In the 14 months between 2020 and 2021, the value of the token surged by almost 1,500 million%. Compared to its all-time high, SHIB is selling for 2470 units, a reduction of 72.6%. The token still has a lifetime gain of 30,246,051% despite the decline. Today has come to a close. Be sure to give it a hearty approval. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.